Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange.
How to hide your hard drive partition in Windows 10 PC. It is very simple and very easy. Let's start jump in. First, you need to click on this, on the start button, right click, go to computer management. Then you can click on disk management. Suppose I want to hide this partition. You can right click on that and change the drive later on path. Click on that and remove it. Okay, now no drive later. It is inside your computer management, but you will not see in your Explorer. Okay, here the partition is not there. And I'll show you another way using one free software you can hide your partition, that is called DriveMan. This software is free. The link is in my description box. You can check it out. From there you can download and just double click on that. Whichever partition if you want to hide, you can right click on that and click hide the selected drive. It is asking for, are you sure? Yes. It will ask for restart. Then your drive will invisible from your Explorer. Okay, you can try this in a PC. I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.
If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.